Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. If you're trying to transfer your Apple Music library from your iPhone to your iPad, the process is actually pretty simple. Since Apple Music is cloud-based, you don't need to manually move files. Everything syncs across devices. As long as your settings are correct, here's how to make sure your songs, playlists, and albums appear on both devices. First, you need to make sure your iPhone and iPad are signed into the same Apple ID. You can check this by going to Settings, Music on both devices. If they are signed into different Apple IDs, your Apple Music library won't sync properly, and you won't see the same content on both devices. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings, scroll to the app section, tap Music, and make sure Sync Library is turned on. This feature allows your entire Apple Music collection to be available on all your Apple devices. After that, go to your iPad and do the exact same thing. Go to Settings, Apps, Music, and enable Sync Library there as well. This ensures both devices are connected to the same Apple Music account and can share the same content. Once Sync Library is turned on for both devices, make sure they are connected to Wi-Fi and give it some time to sync. The speed of the sync depends on the size of your library and the strength of your connection. If everything is working properly, you should be able to open the Music app on your iPad and see all your songs, playlists, and albums just as they appear on your iPhone. If your music doesn't show up right away, try closing and reopening the Music app on your iPad. In some cases, a quick restart of the iPad can also help refresh the library and force the sync to complete. After doing this, your Apple Music collection should be fully transferred from your iPhone to your iPad, and any changes you make on one device will automatically update on the other. That's it. Now your Apple Music is synced across both devices. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Apple tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you later.